Hi, my name is Dylan DeSigio with Fusion CPA, and today I want to take a couple minutes to talk to you guys about WooCommerce, which is an e-commerce platform for WordPress. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the blog and check out WooCommerce's website. Here we are on the blog, and as you can see, WooCommerce is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms on the internet. It is a WordPress plugin that is going to help turn your site into a powerful online store by making it a fully responsive and engaging one-stop shop offering countless features such as customization, hundreds of extensions, and impressive accounting features. Now, it's easy to scale your e-commerce business with WooCommerce because it's entirely open source, giving e-commerce businesses the power to transform the product as they see fit. WooCommerce is also going to help you take away the issue of incompatibility and reduce the need for you to adjust your system, since it is a plugin that works with WordPress, and WordPress has tons of other plugins and extensions as well. Now, WooCommerce also has impressive accounting features. Now, WooCommerce is completely free to use, which is a really cool thing because of almost any software you're going to pay to use, right? Well, WooCommerce is free because it integrates as a plugin with WordPress. And one of the cool things that it does, other than just being free, is that it's going to offer you automatic tax calculations for your customers. It's going to help you figure out your taxes based on your client's shipping address, billing address, or your store's principal address. And by using this feature, you're going to avoid miscalculating taxes or under or over billing your customers. So it's a really cool plugin that you can use with WordPress, like we've already mentioned. It is 100% free. Anybody can use it and integrate it, and it's got a ton of cool different features, right? So let's go ahead and jump over to WooCommerce's website real quick. If it's something you want to try, you can just go ahead and get started. Obviously, there's no free trial or demo because it is free to use for everyone, as I've now mentioned a couple times. And if you scroll down the page, it's going to tell you kind of some of their customers and who they integrate with, who it's trusted by. And then this is what I was, looking for too, the people who use it. And the people who integrate with it, Stripe, Zapier, all those kind of good things. If you come back up here, it'll give you some more features. Obviously, it's going to be different depending on what you're using it for. Like if you're, selling stuff, like if you have a jewelry online store, or if you're, have a coaching business or a CPA, like how you would use WooCommerce would change a little bit. So they kind of have some features and how those features apply to kind of the different businesses that might be using them. Again, you can go back to the customers, the showcase, the success stories, and then there's a ton of extensions that you can use. Again, because it's WordPress, it's like pretty much any extension you would ever think of probably applies. But if you wanted an exact, kind of to know all of those, you could go through the extension store here and check out kind of what kind of themes that you would want for your website. Now, if you have any other questions about WooCommerce or WordPress in general, we're happy to answer any questions you may have. So if you just kind of scroll all the way down here to the bottom of the blog, you can hit with this Speak with a CPA Today button. And what that does is it'll bring you to a page where you can book a free discovery call if you would like with one of our CPAs here at Fusion. Or you can just go ahead and give us a call at 404-955-7338 or shoot us an email at info@fusiontaxes.com. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Again, my name is Dylan DeSigio with Fusion CPA. We really appreciate your time, and we hope this video has been both informational and educational, especially for those business owners out there who are struggling with their online e-commerce platforms. If you have any additional questions, feel free to shoot us an email or drop us a line. We're happy to answer any of your questions anytime that you have them. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely amazing day.